Hey everyone, welcome back to Pop Off English, the fun podcast where you can learn English while listening to crazy stories. If you want to learn English for beginners in a fun way, you are in the right place.
Today's episode is wild. It's about alcohol. It's about bad decisions. It's about regret. It's about getting a tattoo while tipsy.
Yeah, not drunk, just a little drunk, a little bit tipsy.
Like I feel fine, I'm okay, totally in control, tipsy.
And then the next morning, why did I do that?
Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with a friend who loves tattoos or terrible life choices.
Okay, let's go. Story time. Our main character is Leo.
Our main character is not Leo.
Our main character is Leo.
Fine, our main character is Leo. But imagine a different Leo, a parallel universe Leo.
A universe where Leo makes bad decisions.
So, the normal universe.
Exactly. So imagine it's Saturday night, it's summer, it's hot, you're with your friends in the city, you feel happy, relaxed, free.
You're at a bar. You drink one beer, then a second beer, then a cocktail. You are not super drunk, but you are definitely tipsy.
Your English word of the day, tipsy. It means a little drunk, but you can still walk, still talk, still argue on the internet.
Yeah, you're not falling down, you're not throwing up, but your brain is softer.
Softer. I love that.
In this story, I am this person, Tipsy Leo. I'm with my friends, and we are talking about tattoos.
Important detail. At this moment, Leo has 0 tattoos.
My arms are like a blank page, empty, pure.
Virgin skin.
And my friend Max shows his new tattoo. It's a lion on his arm.
Of course it's a lion. His name is Max. He has main character energy.
He's like, bro, look at this. So cool, right? And I say, yeah, it's actually really cool.
Another friend, Sophie, already has 3 small tattoos, a moon, a wave, and a tiny coffee cup.
She looks at me and says, Leo, when are you getting one? You look so good with the tattoo.
This is how it starts. This is the beginning of the regret speedrun.
Speedrun, when you do something very fast. A regret speedrun is when you make a bad decision very fast.
Personal record, one night.
At this point, I'm a little tipsy, and I feel very confident. You know that feeling? You think you are cool, you think you are brave, you think you are Beyoncé.
Spoiler, you are not Beyoncé.
I say, you know what? I've always wanted a tattoo. Maybe I should just do it, like right now.
Everyone at the table, yes, do it, do it, do it.
0 people say, maybe not, Leo. Maybe think about it. Maybe drink some water.
Because real friends don't stop you. They record you for content.
So Max says there is a 24-hour tattoo studio just around the corner.
I'm sorry, a 24-hour tattoo studio? Open all night?
Yeah, that should already be a red flag.
Vocabulary time. A red flag means a warning sign. Something that tells you, this is a bad idea.
But Tipsy Leo loves bad ideas, so we all stand up and walk to the studio. It's 11:30 p.m.
You enter the studio. Describe the place.
Bright lights, loud rock music, posters of tattoos everywhere, skulls, roses, dragons, angels, snakes. The artist is a big guy with tattoos on his neck and hands.
Classic.
He looks at us and immediately knows. Ah, they are tipsy.
He has experience.
I say very confidently, Hi, I would like a tattoo.
What did you plan to get?
That's the problem. I didn't have a plan, no design, no picture, no idea.
0 preparation. Perfect conditions.
The artist asks, okay, what do you want? I look around the studio. On the wall there is a big board with tattoo designs. Skulls, roses, dragons, hearts, quotes, random symbols.
You don't speak, you stare.
My brain is like, lion? Dragon? Phoenix? Cool quote? Deep sentence? Infinity symbol? Something in Latin I don't understand?
Meanwhile, your friends are giving terrible suggestions.
Max says you should get a lion like me. Lion Bros!
Don't be the copy-paste friend.
Sophie says get a tiny wave, so aesthetic.
Someone in the back. Get a pizza slice.
I actually consider the pizza slice.
Of course you do.
Then I see it. On the wall. A small design of a potato with a happy face.
A potato. A happy potato.
Yes, a cute little cartoon potato, smiling.
And in your tipsy brain, this makes sense.
In my tipsy brain, it's genius. I think this is so funny. It's unique. It's me. I love potatoes. It's perfect.
Important question. Where did you want to put the potato?
On my ankle.
So every summer, at the beach, everyone can see the happy potato.
Exactly.
So what happened?
I look the artist in the eyes and say, I want the happy potato.
And the artist?
He looks at me, then at my friends, then at the clock. He asks, have you been drinking?
Honesty time.
I say yes, but only a little. I'm fine.
Famous last words.
He sighs and says, okay, I can do it, but are you sure a potato is forever?
New dramatic quote. A potato is forever.
I say yes, I'm sure, let's do it.
At this point, can we talk about vocabulary for tattoos?
Good idea. Useful words. Tattoo, tattoo artist, tattoo studio design, ankle ink.
Also, to get a tattoo means someone gives you a tattoo. You don't say, I do a tattoo. You say, I get a tattoo.
The artist prepares the design, cleans my ankle, and says, okay, lie down and don't move.
Are you nervous?
A little, but also excited. My friends are watching. Max is filming everything with his phone for his Instagram story.
Of course he is.
The needle starts. It hurts, but not too much. It's like a cat scratching you slowly.
A very committed cat.
The artist is focused. I try to stay still. My friends are whispering things like, wow, you're so brave, and I can't believe you're doing this.
In their minds, this is content for the next 5 years.
After maybe 20 minutes, the artist says, okay, we're done.
The big moment.
He shows me my ankle. And there it is, the happy potato. Round, small, with 2 tiny legs, 2 tiny arms, and a big smile.
Be honest. In that moment, did you love it?
In that moment, I loved it. I say, this is amazing! I'm a potato hero!
Everyone is cheering. You pay. You take a selfie with the artist. Your friends post it everywhere. Leo finally got a tattoo.
We leave the studio. I feel cool. I feel like a new person.
A new person with a vegetable on his leg.
We go for one more drink, and then I go home. I take care of the tattoo, like the artist said. Clean it, put cream, don't touch it.
And then sleep.
And then, the next morning,
Here we go. The regret speed run.
I wake up with a light headache, my mouth is dry, classic day after a drink feeling. I think, last night was fun.
At first, you don't remember.
I take my phone. I see my notifications. My friends have posted my tattoo on their stories.
Many stories.
I see one picture, my leg and the potato.
And your brain says?
My brain says, oh, my God, what have I done?
The classic sentence.
I look at my ankle, the potato is there, permanent, smiling at me.
The potato is not sorry.
Mike, why a potato? Why not a wave, or a quote, or nothing?
Let's describe how you feel. For vocabulary, you feel embarrassed. You feel stupid. You feel regret.
Regret means you feel bad about a past decision. You want to change it, but you can't.
You made a regret speedrun. From this is genius to this is a mistake in less than 12 hours.
I text Max, why did you let me do this?
Max, because it's hilarious.
Sophie writes, honestly, it's kind of cute.
Is it cute?
It is, unfortunately, cute.
That makes it worse.
My mom sends me a message. Is this real?
Moms always know.
I say, yes, but it's small. She replies, okay, but why a potato?
Excellent question.
I write, because I love potatoes, and even when I type it, it sounds stupid.
So did you think about removing it?
Yes. I start to search on Google, how to remove a tattoo, how much does tattoo removal cost, can you unpotato yourself?
New verbs. To unpotato.
I see the price. It's expensive. Very expensive. More than 3 times the price of the tattoo. And it hurts.
So what are the options?
Option 1. Remove it with laser. Painful and expensive. Option 2. Cover it with a different tattoo. Maybe something bigger and cooler. Option 3. Accept my destiny. Live with the potato.
Be the potato.
At first I think, okay, I'll remove it as soon as possible, but then I meet my friends again.
They see the tattoo in real life.
They all say, honestly, it's kind of iconic. It's very you. It's a good story.
It is a good story. And a great conversation starter.
A conversation starter is something that helps start a conversation. People see it and ask questions, so it's easy to talk to them.
Like, imagine at a party, person A. Is that a potato?
Yes, person A. Why? Sit down. This is a long story. The potato becomes part of my identity.
Your brand.
People give me potato stickers, potato memes, potato socks for my birthday.
You deserve it.
And slowly, the regret becomes smaller. It's still there, but I also start to find it funny. It's a reminder.
A reminder of what?
A vocabulary moment, a reminder, is something that helps you remember. For me, the tattoo is a reminder not to make permanent decisions when I am tipsy.
Good life rule. Don't make permanent decisions in temporary situations.
Especially with alcohol. The tattoo will stay. The beer will not.
You know what I love about this story? It's stupid, but kind of deep.
Deep potato.
Let's talk about some useful English from this episode, but in a natural way. What expressions did we use?
We had, I'm tipsy, a little drunk. A red flag, a warning sign. A regret speedrun, making bad decisions very fast. Conversation starter, something that helps start a conversation. Permanent decision, a decision that lasts a long time.
Also useful verbs. To regret, to remove a tattoo, to cover a tattoo, to get a tattoo.
And some good phrases, what have I done? When you realize you made a big mistake. Are you sure? Very important question before a tattoo.
Okay, I have questions for you. Today, in the present, do you still have the potato?
Yes.
Did you think about adding something? Like making a big design around the potato?
I did. I thought maybe I can add fries, or a tomato, or a whole food family.
The vegetable squad.
But then I thought, no, one bad decision is enough.
So now you just accept it?
Now I accept it. I can even say I like it a little. It's a funny detail. It makes people laugh. It makes me remember 24-hour tattoo studios are a red flag.
And that cute at midnight is sometimes why at 9 a.m.
Exactly.
Okay, now let's connect this to you listening to this podcast. Think in English with us for a moment.
Ask yourself, have I ever made a regret speed run? Maybe not a tattoo, maybe a haircut, maybe a text, maybe buying something expensive late at night online.
Or sending a message to your ex at 2 a.m. Please don't do that.
In English, we say, I made a bad decision or I regret that decision.
You can also say, looking back, that was not a good idea.
Looking back means now, in the present, when you think about the past.
So you can say, looking back, getting a potato tattoo while tipsy was not a good idea, but it's a good story.
That's my life motto now.
Before we finish, let's quickly review some of the vocabulary and ideas from this episode. Very simply. Tipsy, a little drunk regret. Feeling bad about a past decision tattoo? Permanent drawing on your skin red flag? Warning sign conversation starter. Something that helps you start a conversation, permanent decision. A choice that stays for a long time.
And a nice phrase you can use, a tattoo is forever. You can also use it for other things like screenshots are forever.
Or the internet is forever.
So maybe think twice before you post or before you get a happy potato on your ankle.
If you are learning English, you can use stories like this to remember words more easily. You will never forget the word regret now.
Or potato.
All right, that's it for today's episode of Pop Off English. Getting a tattoo while tipsy, regret speedrun.
If you enjoyed this story, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with a friend who is thinking about getting a tattoo.
Tell them, watch this before you go to the tattoo studio.
And tell us in the comments, what is one thing you regret doing or not doing? You can write in simple English. We read your comments.
Thanks for listening. Keep practicing, stay safe, and maybe drink water before you make big decisions.
See you in the next episode of Pop Off English. Bye!
Bye.